Me say a two things me could have never used to in Canada. Ice and cowl. You know see how me bungle up? Me say, Jesus, I'm out of door. Cowley. The Beatrice school make you want to peep up yourself. Someone back home want come here, come live. Uno tan one there. Me say, this year cool, not joke, and me not joke with it. Me just keep myself in my yard, yeah? Me say, when the snow melt a little bit, and when the temperature drop, you see, Jesus, kiss me in that boy. Me say up here ice rink there around the place. You can't slip and slide all over the place. You not get up, you can't walk. Might as well sit. Me say, Jesus, me, this is a cowl here, this is a cool here. Different, man, it different. No, not one of them. Jesus, peace.